Welcome to Pyrography Made Easy. I'm Brenda. I don't know about you, but sometimes I have problems deciding what sort of background to use on my artwork. To help with this problem, I created background cards. So I'm going to show you what they are, how I use them, and how to make your own. So let's get started. What are they? Background cards are simply pieces of thick paper that have a texture burned onto them. I used 140-pound hot-pressed watercolor paper for this. Using the cards. To use the cards, simply place one on the background next to your subject. This will give you an idea of how that background would look. Obviously, the larger the card is, the easier it is to decide if it looks good for the application. Another way to use the cards is to create one that has gradient shading, or create several that have different tonal values on them. This type of card can help you decide how dark to burn the background. Texture ideas. To give you some ideas for backgrounds that you can put on cards, go to the home page on my YouTube channel. Scroll down until you see the Learn to Burn Part 2 shelf. Both of the Learn to Burn shelves are filled with playlists grouped by subject. Part 2 has the Backgrounds Tutorial playlist. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll to the right to find it. Click on View Full Playlist and you will see all of the background tutorials that I have created. Make a card. I am using 140-pound watercolor paper that I have secured to a rigid backing board. Use a pencil to draw a line around the edges of your card. Then burn in the background texture you are after. It is completely up to you which textures you want to create cards for and what size you would like to make your cards. Once you're done burning in the textures, then cut out the cards. I am using a paper cutter, but you can use a knife and a straight edge, or scissors, or other cutting methods. Then punch a hole in one corner and attach the cards to a holder. I am using a metal shower curtain hook, but you can also use a keyring holder, a piece of string. Anything will work to keep them all together. Bonus feature. A bonus feature of the cards is that you can use the back of them to write down tips on how to create the texture for future reference. Well, that's it for this video. I mentioned in the video that I have a playlist for the backgrounds that I have created, and I did put a link to that playlist in the description below. Well, thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you next week.